Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to activate listing on Facebook Marketplace. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook homepage. Now on the left you'll find this marketplace. Click on this and over here you'll find this interface. On the left, to find your listing, click on this selling. And after that, you'll find different listings over here. For now, I have just one listing over here. Over here, you can see this listing is pending. That means it's not shown to anyone from here. Now, to activate this listing, over here you can see here is marked as available. Click on this, and after that, you can see here is active. Now, my listing is activated over here. So in this way, we can activate product on Facebook Marketplace. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.